Hello everybody, Shanette here, about to tour a home on the Maj'Dul Server. It is called the Peep Family Farm. It is owned and decorated by Wizzam. It can be found in the Hall of Fame. If you filter recent, it is number 36. And if you'd like to visit via the door, it is Wizzam's Vale of Halfpint Delight on the South Qeynos side. And I've seen this home before. I actually saw it when she first published it, but I would like to share it with you all. Guildhall door. This home is adorable, just so you know. Brent says, what a bright batch of apples. They really are. Now, how'd you get a pomegranate out of an apple tree? There's a ducky. Storage shed, freezer in the back. Oh, it's a storage shed. Cute use for this little building. Hey, more duckies. Robert says, come here, quackers, want some bread? I don't think quackers wants anything to do with you, dude. Wishing well, toss in a copper and make a wish. That's a really cute well. She's even put a little crank on the side there. So cute. I love the use of this bridge from Brew Day. Dean says these don't look very scary, and John says just a few more to plant. This looks like Wizzam over here. Wizzam says, wow, these are some huge cabbages. It's almost as big as her. Look at this little thing she made. It's so cute. So genius. I would have never thought of this. It's one of those little view, I think they're called viewfinders. You put coins in and you can look at animals or the scenery or whatever. That is so brilliant. So smart. And then up the hill here, got a little swing. It's a pretty view. It's a good place for a swing. And look at that. I wish I could build like that. Love the use of these ship wheels and the railings here. Hey, it's me. Shanette says, welcome to the farm. Thank you. You're welcome. Big old pumpkins. Candies. Apple taffy, apple jailbreakers, and apple sours. Quite the apple theme in here. Refreshments on the house. Well, that's nice. Apple juice, apple cider, apple punch. Maple syrup. Is it made from apples? So then it'd be maple syrup? Apple jelly. Aaron says, howdy there, have you tried the candied apples? Which are right here. I will take 4 of them. I love this window. Lynn Lanu says, hello there, would you like some apple muffins fresh out of the oven? She's put little buttons on the front, that's so cute. Here's the apple muffins. All the apple pies. I wonder if that's apple bread. It's probably a safe bet that it is. It's a cute little cabinet. Apple press. The very first fruit press was invented back in 1916. Give the crank a twist. It's a good use for that barrel. And then we got applesauce. I still think this place needs some apple butter, but we'll just pretend there's some in that cabinet over there. Yeah. Okay. Somewhere James said, phew, I'm pooped. I don't remember where James is. It's probably somewhere over here. Maybe he was in the, nope, he had to be over here somewhere. Maybe he was outside. Oh, there's a little cellar. That's so cute. Somebody was hiding back here drinking, I think. Sampling the cider, as it were. Oh, this must be James. Yep, James has pooped. He even kind of looks tired. Got a well pump here. This is so cute. She's got the horses doing the furnace thingy. Maybe this is where they... I don't know. There's a bucket for something, that's all I know. Nate says, this blasted machine will never work properly. Well, what's wrong with it? Okay. And we're back to Brent. Okay, that's just going to be a short little tour of Wizzam's The Peep Family Farm. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come on over to the Maj'Dul server and give it some likes, and I'll see you guys later.